I just rather open it.
Okay. So we can open that a little bit. I'll help you open it. Okay. Good. Now, we just want to pour a little bit in to the top. Do you want me to do it or do you want to do it? Okay. So say hi to the camera. We are about to erupt Mount. What's the name of it?
We're going to erupt Volcano.
Okay. Here we go. So, what are we putting in here? What's this again?
Baking soda.
Okay. Baking soda in the top of the hole.
Oh, yes.
All right. Here we go. Ready? All right. I don't know how much to put in. Okay. Now what do we need?
Fire.
Fire. I think fire is vinegar.
Fire is vinegar?
Yeah, so we gotta find some vinegar, Jay.
Go get some.
I think I'm using Mommy's good vinegar. White wine vinegar?
Yeah.
Sound good?
Yeah.
Or red wine vinegar. Red wine's probably good because maybe it'll look like fire. Yeah? Alright.
Yeah.
I think it might erupt. You should step back because we don't want to get burned.
Alright. Go here.
So we've never seen what happens when we do this. So I think it's going to shoot up. How high do you think it's going to go?
Up to Mercury.
Alright. Mercury's up. Mercury's a planet hanging. Okay. Here we go.
It's erupted.
It's erupting. I think I was supposed to probably put in more than that. Probably need a little bit more baking powder.
Ow!
Is it hot?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. That was a little bit of a baby. That was a baby eruption. That was just our first experiment. Yeah. Here we go. Alright. Oh, there we go. Lava.
Fire.
Lava and fire. Woo! It's erupting.
Ow.
You could taste it if you want. What's that taste like?
I don't know.
Now we need a little bit more
I don't
baking.
know what it tastes like.
Let's see, Jay. Baking powder.
Baking powder.
Is that what we need?
Yep.
Okay. Alright. We're using all Mommy's ingredients. But that's okay. More baking powder. Goes in the bottom there. Okay. Now we're going to erupt it good this time. Are we ready? Yeah? Here we go.
Ooh! Will I taste it?
Blech. That doesn't taste very good.
It doesn't taste.
I thought we were supposed to make it shoot straight up in the sky, and that's not happening yet, huh?
Yeah.
We are pouring a lot of red wine into it, though.
Again.
Red wine vinegar.
Put it.
Taste it.
No.
What's that taste like? Okay, so I think we're gonna have to try something else.
You want that?
You taste it. It tastes sour. It tastes pretty good.
Yummy!
Yummy. Did you say did you instruct the people in the movie how to make a volcano?
Did you respect the people in the movie how to make a volcano?
What are we supposed to do, Jayden? How do we make it erupt?
Hey, need some more.
Okay, let's let it work. It's still fizzing in there a little bit. We gotta let it work down. Work its way down. And then we'll pour more. Okay.
I don't want it now.
You want more now?
Yeah.
Alright. You're wiping the vinegar all over me. Alright.
Put a lot in because we need it to shoot up in the sky.
Okay. Well, it's working its way down. You think it can shoot up that high?
Maybe.
There's got to be a better way to make it shoot up high. Okay. Do we need more baking powder?
Yeah. No.
You think so?
No baking powder.
Okay, maybe I need a spoon too. To scoop out some of the lava that's in there. Can I use your spoon?
Yeah. No! Your spoon.
Oh, man.
You need giant spoons if you want to put it in there.
Like this one?
Yeah, that one.
That might be too big. And it doesn't fit.
Maybe smaller ones?
Yeah, well, yours.
Not mine.
Not yours?
No. Let me show you which side. Let me.
That was Uncle Dave. Don't tell him my screen is tall. How about this one? This one's it's like for a girl.
Yeah, I'll use it. Oh.
Watch.
Oh, I love it.
You're gonna do it?
Bye.
All right, reach all the way in there and scoop out some stuff. Yeah. Okay. Let me try. All right. Okay, most of the baking powder is. Wait, here we go. Oh, it's starting to go rough.
I'll do it.
Okay. Lava. Go all the way in. Put it all the way in and mix it at the bottom. Good.
Oh.
All right. That's a good trick. Stir. Stir your lava. All right. Let's see. We ready to put some more stuff in?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Let's see what happens. That's Dave. Hey.
Put it in. Daddy, put it in.
Jayden and I are erupting his volcano. Can I call you back in 10 minutes? Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, let's do that. Or come on over.
Daddy, open that. Daddy, open this.
It's just you. Okay, cool. Come on over.
Open
Yeah.
this.
Well, then we'll go. But we're not dressed yet. So if you want to go soon, just come over and we'll get dressed and then we'll go. All right, bye.
Sit up. We're talking to someone.
Yeah, phone quiet. Who is that? Everybody's calling at once. We're not answering that one. That's a 800 number. All right, Uncle Dave's coming over. You might want to see us erupt some volcano. All right, here we go. This, I think, is a good way to do it. Okay.
Now, little more, I think.
Yep, we put that all the way in the bottom. Now, we're going to pour some
Nothing.
more of this. Okay. What are we telling the movie we're about to do?
We're about to make lava
All right.
and fire.
Right.
Lava and fire. With lava is harder than fire. Wow! I love it. I love it.
Lava. That's pretty good.
$5.
All right, good.
That's
Easy.
it.
Easy. It's erupting slowly. Slowly. All right. Should we let it go down?
No, up.
Okay.
A
Then,
little more of that.
okay. I think we need to let it work its way down a little bit before we put more in. Get some bubbles. We're getting very bubbly. That's the problem. This is an instructional video for other kids who want to make
Volcano.
volcanoes. You're the teacher, right?
You.
I'm part teacher and Jayden's part teacher. Okay. We ready to try some more?
And my teacher.
Mom's sleeping.
Oh, you think so?
Where's Mommy?
Nowhere.
Is she here or is she sleeping?
She's sleeping at Costco.
Mommy's sleeping at Costco? Okay.
Put this in.
Let's put that in. Help me.
Teamwork.
Good teamwork. More lava. At least it's red and looks like fire, huh?
That doesn't look like fire. That looks like red fire.
Yeah.
Well,
cool. Here it goes.
Needs to be dark orange.
You know what we'll do? Dave's coming over. We're going to go out to breakfast with him, and we can pick up some dark orange coloring so that when we come back, we can make it look like an orange fire. How's that sound?
Good.
All right, so I'm going to stop the movie. Say bye to the movie.
Put this in.
Okay, 1 sec. We'll do it. Say bye, movie.
Bye, movie.
We'll come back later.
We'll come back later.